I think
Hi.
your name is Rifa. Rif,
Right.
Rifa. I got it. Okay, you are
Mm,
from Indonesia.
right.
I put white or other colors, then my
Mm,
my face is gonna dark. Yeah, that's
mm.
why I feel green is okay. It's make something it's shining my face maybe. Though I'm
How
black.
about me?
You are
Because I also having what is Gordon?
the color gray. Is this gray color?
Yes. No, no, it's curtain. It's pink.
Gray. I think it's pink. And if I talk about your wall, this is I think
Mm,
color.
yes. It's
Exactly.
like yellowish, but not that yellow. And I have a pink curtain. How about my face? It's shine my faces
Yeah,
or it's
yeah,
make my face
yeah.
darker.
You are shining, and I don't know how to accomplish. I think how to say about how to express about a
Mm.
beautiful girl. I don't know. I'm gonna learn, but you are
No, no,
you
no.
are looking so nice.
Thank you so much. Anyway,
Okay,
what time there?
it's now in my country. It's now. Let me check. Now, now 12:21. It's around. It's a midnight, I think. What about
Oh,
you?
it's 21.
Yeah. Can you feel how much crazy about practicing my English? It's a mid.
Sorry?
It's a midnight, and
Mm.
can you feel how much crazy I am about my English?
Uh, if you are crazy for improving your English at 21 at night, I'm more than crazy because it's midnight right now.
Okay,
I'm
what
at
time?
1 a.m. 1 a.m.
Oh, you're more crazy than me. Oh, that's excellent. Yeah, you're okay. That's a you proper
Yes.
logic, I think.
No,
I'm
no. Honestly,
this.
because I can't sleep, so I just open my laptop and I feel like maybe talk to some people can make me um what is it tired because I did a lot of conversation. So if I got tired, I can sleep. So yeah.
That's great. Fantastic. This kind of words I use because of I think I'm not habituated with this. And when you are
Mm,
talking with people, you need some words to carry on, like all right,
mm,
anyway,
mm,
okay.
mm.
Frankly speaking, these are pillars, I think, and I'm trying to use this and just having practice with this kind of
Mm.
words. And you were cool, so cool, and not crazy.
Yeah, of
Like,
course.
that's awesome. Okay, I want to know about your academic status. Uh,
Oh, I am a student right now in one of university in my city, and I took a management major,
uh
and I'm last
what's
year
what's your major?
management. How about you?
Oh my God, I can share you about my major. It's similar like you. I'm sharing about my subjects. I think then you can
Mm.
relate. My subjects are accounting, finance,
Um,
economics, management, marketing.
mm,
These are
mm,
important subjects.
mm.
Some like financial management, human resource
Yes,
management. That's we are
yes,
similar. Okay, I want to know about your plan. You are now, you have 1 year yet to complete your university. The same
yes.
thing is for me. I just
Mm,
finished my third year examination 10 days
mm.
ago, 9 days around.
Wow.
And now I'm now fourth year, not officially, but I can assure my CGPA is it's not CGPA. My GPA is
Mm,
gonna be good. And I
mm,
want to mention you one thing. As you are cool, I think I can share you. I'm the topper of my department. Uh,
wow.
my first and second year result was highest from my department. I hope
Mm,
third year going to be again the top result. I hope that. And I really
wow.
want to finish my graduation from my
Mm,
university uh, as a topper.
that's really, really cool. I hope I can, yeah, I can do a graduation too in next year. Just pray for me.
Thank you so much for your time.